ready to make some drop and hook jambalaya. I know there's several hundred new subscribers here to the channel, and you probably haven't seen this before unless you've gone back and watched some videos, but I'm going to share my recipe with you. First thing you need is a Lunchbox cooker, which you can get at about any truck stop, or you know, something comparable to that would probably work too. Some boneless, skinless chicken breast, or you can use chicken thighs if you're into dark meat. Whatever type of sausage that you want to use. I'm actually using a jalapeno and cheddar Johnsonville sausage, and a box of Zatarain's Caribbean rice, a knife to cut everything up, a cutting board, some aluminum foil, or you can use those aluminum trays that fit perfectly in there, and then some grass-fed butter. But what I'm going to do is put my aluminum foil in here to line it. I'm going to throw 2 of the chicken breast in there. I like using the no antibiotics and vegetarian diet, cage-free, happy chicken breast. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the sausage up. Let that cook until the chicken is about done. And well, let's do that first. Okay, now after just minimal prep work, I've cut the 2 sausages up in as thin slices as I could, and then split those in half. 2 chicken breast, and then I just put the sliced sausage in with the chicken breast. Go ahead and wipe off your cutting board and plug in the Lunchbox cooker, which is a 12 volt. You will know the Lunchbox cooker is on by the little red light. The chicken and sausage will need to cook at least 30 minutes. Then I will take the chicken out. Now there's going to be some juice in there from the sausage and the chicken. I will add the box of Zatarain's rice. Today we're using the Caribbean flavor, which has little pieces of pineapple in it, and I will add water to stir that up. By that time my chicken's cooled down just enough that I can use a fork and a knife to cut it into small pieces. I'll add that back in. So I'll show you that process less than a half hour from now. So for you truck drivers, this is a dish, it's best if you start preparing it before you shut down. Alright, after a little over 30 minutes, we will add the grass-fed butter, add the rice, and add some alkaline water. Stir it up a bit. Now I'm going to cut up the chicken. After you've cut up the chicken, you will add that to the Lunchbox cooker. Okay, chicken is added. Now we will close it up and let it cook. Alright. Hey Don, you ready for some lunch?
Yes sir.
Let's check on the jambalaya. Now this is going to be steamy. Woohoo! Alright, that is real close to ready right there, and I'm getting ready to add the secret ingredient, people. An Italian cheese blend. Alright, cheese is added. We'll close it up. When we open it again, it's going to be time to eat.
You have 3 hours and 8 minutes of remaining drive time.
Alright, here's the moment of truth, people. This is drop and hook jambalaya, Caribbean style. This is how it is on my plate, people. I like to add a little Texas Pete, a little pepper, and garlic sea salt. This is good stuff, people, and pretty easy to make, especially when the cheese is melted. Alright, that was good, but there's a little leftovers for later. But when you're done, just take a paper towel and wipe out the Lunchbox cooker, and it is ready for next time.